Hello and welcome to ESL Revolution, everyone. I am your content creator and professor, Dr. B. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Beginner conversation, intermediate speaking, and advanced conversation. This video is going to go out to all of my students. But first, I want to introduce a couple of special guests. I wonder who they could be. Who are you?
I'm June.
June? It is so wonderful to have you here. Very good. And who's this? Suman. June and Suman. Crazy and crazier. Anyway, they wanted to just participate a little bit in the recording, and I said, sure, why not? It's okay. First, some water. Okay, so what have I got for you today? Well, this week, not my Monday class because we haven't had our Monday class yet, but the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday class, you are going to be in week 2, and the second week of class for the Monday will be on the 14th. So I wanted to get a video out explaining a new tool that we are going to use in the classroom. Now, this tool, oh, by the way, before I forget, don't forget, this is a YouTube video, so click on the CC button and you'll have those English captions pop up so you can follow along a little easier. Anyway, getting back to the new program. So, I have a program that one of several that we are going to use over the course of the semester called Flipgrid. Now, Flipgrid is a really interesting program, and I'm not going to go into a lot of the detail about it, but suffice to say, that program is used for me to upload a question-answer type of scenario, and you then record your answer onto that program. Oops, sorry. Phone. It happens. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you what this is going to look like on my end and on your end, so that you can actually understand what it is we're doing. So as you can see here on the screen, I have the Google Classroom, and I've picked Thursday, 11 a.m. intermediate speaking to be my guinea pig for today. So, hello guinea pig. Now, in the classwork section, we have it down here, all the way down to Flipgrid. All right, there's a little Flipgrid tab here, and what you're going to see is these are the intermediate class Flip ID cards. Each student has been assigned a student ID and a join code. So, what I have done for all of the students, for all of you, is to create your own username. Okay, I went ahead and did that today to get that done so that we didn't have to kind of worry about user IDs. It's just a little bit too difficult. So what I did was I took your Korean name and I added the last 4 digits of your student number. Okay, the last 4 digits of your student number. And that is essentially your user ID. Now, in this tab right here, I'm not going to open that up because you'll be able to see the students who have those special codes. And I don't want everybody to see the names and the codes. It's kind of, personal. So, so in each class, you'll be able to go in and you'll be able to look for your name, and you'll be able to see the join code to your individual room and your user ID. Okay, so that's what that Flipgrid section is in Google Classroom. Now let's actually move to the Flipgrid program. So you type in here. Now there's going to be a bunch of stuff coming up. Let's go to here. Okay, and okay. So this is the website that you are going to see. All right, this is the website that you're going to see, and you're going to obviously want to sign up today. All right, so you can click on that, and now because I've already signed in, you don't have to worry about that because I'm giving you the code, right? So all you need to do is it would say in that little card that I gave you in your Google Classroom. So this one right down here, this card right here. You're going to enter a join code, okay? And it's going to be like a 7-digit number letter thing. You just type it in and it should take you right into the classroom, into the Flipgrid room. Now, this is the intermediate speaking 11 a.m. Flipgrid room that I'm using, okay? And I'm going to use this room as the example. Now, this is what I see on my end. However, what you see looks like this, okay? It's a totally different page, so you're going to see something quite a bit different. Now, I have added myself as a student into that room so that you can see what a student sees. So I'm going to type in my code here because, yep. All right, let's hope this works. There we go, perfect. Okay, and we are in. So this is what you as a student are going to see. Now, obviously, this is a Thursday AM class, so if you're a Monday beginner conversation 11 a.m. class, it's going to look similar, but some of the activities are going to be different because each one of you has a different textbook. Now, you can see here that I have 2 topics already. So if I go here, we can see, let's go back, hang on. So we can see persistence instructional video. So this is part of your homework, right? So down here, you will record a response. Now the great thing about this is you can record this right from your phone or from your laptop or desktop with a web camera. That is no problem at all. Okay, now I can't do that right now. I can't record something here because I'm already using my camera, and that's just gonna blah, 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 mess up the video. Okay, so but that's how essentially you do it. Now each video should be probably 2 or 3 minutes long. I've set a maximum of 5 minutes for most of your videos. Now, every class, beginner conversation, intermediate speaking, and advanced conversation is going to have another little practice video, let's say, okay, another little practice. And this says, say hello to the class. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to see here it says, say hello to the class. Welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green button below to open the Flipgrid camera, then record a short video. Okay, so that in this particular layout, there is no green button, so don't worry about it. All you need to do is record a response. Okay, so that's fine there. Now, what I'd like you to do is say hello, your name and your major. Share a fun fact about yourself and share your favorite English language movie. Okay, now consider this kind of as your practice video when you are getting involved in Flipgrid. There's lots of other things that we can do with this program, but for right now, I'm just going to stick with the basics here. Okay, just so you know, we're going to keep it simple for the time being. Okay, now, what will happen is, let's say I click on this one here. Now I see that there are no responses, but as you start sharing the videos, as you start recording and then uploading those videos to the Flipgrid page, these responses are going to come out. They're going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, blah, 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 as we go through. Everybody is required to do Flipgrid, okay? Everybody has to. It's part of the class. And it is also going to be used when we are in face-to-face classes, okay? This is not just an online program that we are using. We're going to be using this for the entire class. And every week, I'm going to give you a little type of Q&A for you to record back onto Flipgrid for. And it's a way for me to see the work that you're doing. It's also a really good way for the students to watch you as well, right? Because then the students are going to watch your video and going to say, wow, that's a really interesting response. The great thing about Flipgrid is you might really like somebody's response. Well, guess what? You can respond to them with another short video. So let's say June here makes a really great video and I really like it. Then I'm going to go on my phone and I'm going to hit record. Wow, June, that was a great video. I really like your pronunciation. It was excellent. Way to go, right? So you can have a response video to things that I'm doing or to things that other students are doing in the class. Now, you might be thinking, why are we doing this, teacher? Well, one of the things I wanted to do in the classroom was to expand and extend English language outside our traditional 90-minute classroom. And this is a way for you to continually practice and upgrade your language skills as we go through the class, as we go through the semester. So not only are you going to have instruction in the 90-minute session, but you're also going to be able to think about the topics that we talked about during the class and also give you a chance to respond and practice your English language outside of the classroom. Now, that outside language, it's not going to be very much. 3 or 4 minutes tops and you'll be done. So it's going to be a nice, easy thing. It's not difficult, but it does keep the language going outside of the classroom. Okay, everybody, that's all for me. I hope you have a great weekend. It is Saturday, September 5th when I'm recording this. So have a great weekend. And don't forget, everybody, we are not out of COVID yet. So keep your masks on when you're outside. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you back in class very soon. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. June, do you want to say anything? What do you want to say? Bye-bye. All right, there we go. Simon, what do you want to say? Bye-bye. All right, we all say goodbye from Ben's house. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.